Welcome everyone, my name is Michael, and today we're going to do a little experiment. We're going to do a flip cup, alright, with a little mini flip cup. We're going to fill this guy up, boom, we're going to smash it on the canvas. Fill this guy up, smash it on the canvas. Alright, let's have some fun. I'll go through the colors as we pour. I do have a permanent black here, and titanium white. I have silicone in all the colors except for the white and the black. Alright, let's get going. I guess we'll start with our big cup first. So, I think what I want to do is a little white right on the bottom. Let's bring it close. Alright, a little white down here. Alright. Follow her up with a little black. Alright, there we go. Light blue. We're going to do lemon yellow. Metallic cobalt blue. I love this color so much. I probably haven't used it in a while either. We're going to do pearlized golden green. And we love this one because, it turns gold. Pretty cool. Alright, we'll do a little of that. Let's throw a little bit more of this before we go to our next blue. Alright, a little more white blue. Now let's go with our phthalo blue. Alright, and let's come back around to our titanium white. And I know we are going to speed this up. Let's go. Alright guys, we're back again. Let's get going with the little guy. We gotta fill this little guy up. That's gonna be nice. Alright. Again, let's start out with the white on the bottom. Let's just finish that up there. Alright, I'm gonna do white on the bottom. I'm not gonna do black right now. I wanna do this blue. You want the cup layered slightly differently than the big cup. I am doing a lot of blues right here. Okay. Nice. Throw that yellow in. Right. Finish off the golden green. I love that. Okay, and now we're gonna put the black in there. To mix nice with the gold when it does happen. Oh boy. Alright guys, here we go. The one cup, let's put her to the side. Oh, look at this little guy, huh? Ready? He's so small. Here we go. And 1, 2, go. Bam! We're down. Alright, that one's down. Okay, next one. Now we gotta put this right on top of it. This one's going right on top, guys. Here we go. Ready? Go. That was awesome. That was really cool. Alright, so let's get little taps there. Alright. That's too much fun. Okay. There we go. Now let's see what happens. It's gonna be on top of that cup, so it's gonna be messy. Here we go. Okay. Let's check out the cup. Ooh, I like this. A little different right here. This is nice. Ooh, I like this coming in here. Ah, this is great. Oh, now, what's gonna happen to that? You know, it's right here. I'm not gonna torch. I'm just gonna pull this up. And I think I want to come through here to give the color. I don't know. Ooh, I'm gonna go through here. I don't like this part. Ready? Here we go. Ooh, that was cool. That was pretty cool. Yeah, I like that. That was really cool. Okay. Now, I usually like to put a little on the corners. I don't think I have a little on the corners. I don't think I have much of anything. Maybe a little bit of black. Let's just put the corners a little. Okay. Alright. Do this one. And a little here on top of that little yellow spot that we had. Alright. Oh, I love it. Oh, I don't want a torch, but I kind of gotta. Let's get rid of any kind of air bubbles. This is great. Ooh, that's up there. Oh, yeah. Oh, see ya. See a little pop right there. So, yeah, that was worth it. Ooh, and I had some extra cells in here, so that's kind of cool. Alright. I almost don't want to tilt. I really like it. Okay, here we go. I'm going to come down a little first. I'd love to keep this intact if I could. I don't know. I'm not the best at that. You guys know that. Sometimes I probably get out of control. I'm like, I'll just pour it right off. Yep, sure you seen me do that, right? Ooh, let's talk about that middle right there, guys. That is cool with that, with the little mini flip cup in there. Oh, and it's just gonna follow it around. Okay, see now this is where we're gonna come into trouble. So I'm gonna want to pour hard, and I'm not gonna do it. I kinda wanna keep that middle. Let's come back a little. Let's see if I can pour off the top there. A little right there. Okay. I'll bring it right back in here. Let's take our time. Right, we're not going anywhere. Here we go. Let's drop her down in this corner a little bit. Ooh, I love that black and the white coming in there. Ooh, I love this. So let's just finish her off. See, I get wild. I should go slow. Go slow. It's like I want to finish her off. It's so awesome. That's nice right off the bottom corner there. Alright, just a little bit. And see if we can bring her back. I want to keep this design really intact. I like it a lot. I think the cells in this are going to be great. Just looking at it now. Oh, I can't wait to go in for a close-up, to tell you the truth. That middle sec, that flip cup in the middle. Wow, I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay. I think the composition is telling us this is where it likes to be. I didn't see much movement after that, so let's go with this composition right here. Okay? Beautiful. Oh yeah, I love the black in there. That's great. Alright guys, we're gonna go in for a nice close-up. Have a good night.